Hey guys, it's Vinita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you an update on my upcoming videos. But first, if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon right next to it to never miss any of my videos. So basically, a few months back, I did a makeover of my living room, which I really wanted to share with you guys. Not only that, I did some DIYs which are going to be part of this makeover. So that too I will be posting on my channel. It took me around 20 to 30 days to complete this whole makeover idea, because I also did a makeover of my sofa, old sofa, which is the most important part of this entire process. Because these videos are quite long, I will be posting those in parts. So that's that. Another thing is, I will be posting different kinds of videos on my channel. It can be a cooking video or it can be a vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy these upcoming videos on my channel. And also, if you guys have any suggestions, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to know what kind of future videos you would like to see on my channel. So that was the update. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.